Hello friends, welcome back to Sketchwell Help. Today we will be learning how to create how to show banner ads in list view. Okay. So for that we have to put a linear V here whose width and height are match parent and padding will be 0. Okay. Done. Then after that we have to put a scroll V scroll 1 in fact whose width and height are match parent and its padding is also 0. Then after that we have to put a linear V again whose width and height are match parent and wrap content respectively and padding is 0. Okay, this much is the only part for the view area main XML, and here we will be creating a custom XML, that is cst.xml, whose in which we have put a linear V whose width and height are match parent and wrap content respectively and padding is 8 by default. Margin we have set as 4 dp all sides. Okay, and inside this we have added a text view of size 16 sp and bold text style bold. Okay, and another add view. Make sure you have activated the AdMob library in from the library options here of this option. Okay, then only you can drag and drop this. Anyways, this okay, we have settled banner ad. Anyways, you can keep it as you like it, this ad section. Now coming back to main XML. Sorry, it's a bit slow. Yeah, okay. Now in on create activity we will be creating uh, three number variables, that are count, replace and count underscore num. Okay, and a list map, sorry, like we do in the list view section. Okay, list map. Okay, this much for the view variable section. Now here we have to put set count number to nothing. By default it will take a garbage value. Okay, then a number count to 0, another number replace to 0. Now we will be repeating this replace. Okay, replace, then count. We will be putting this. Okay, I have to show you. See, these are the blocks. There are 2 to 3 or blocks. I am showing you. See, this is the block. We will be first putting this like this. Done. Then 10 count equal to 10 here, count equal to 20 here, sorry, count equal to 30 and go serial wise. Okay, and count equal to 40 here. Then this putting this whole block here in if else in the if section. Okay, condition. This if this conditions you can see count equal to 10, count equal to 12, or count equal to 20 or count equal to 30 means counting every 10, after every 10 10 10 only till 40, not after that. We have not gone beyond, and as we have taken maximum value as 100, we have gone to 40 only. Okay, add I value ad in this map. Okay, replace number, increase 1, and count number count increase 1. Okay, else add I value string count number means that default counting number, if it's 1 or 2 or 3 whatever, to list map. And then the same it is saying, see, add means this is the add view. Okay, means if it is 10, 20 or 30 or 40, then show the add. Okay, value means then add, show the add, else show the numbers. Okay, after this grid view code you will be getting in the sketch store app, and it's in the description below. You can get it there. Okay, you can see this. Sorry, a call is coming. So as I was saying, you will get this code. This is the linear view ID. In the description below you will get the code, or it's the Sketchstore. You will get the download link of Sketchstore, text view and add view. Sorry. text view and add view. Done. Okay. These are your widget IDs. You can change it accordingly. Done. Okay. All right. Anyways, it's all done. No, now there is no FAB, but still it's showing FAB. Anyways, let's delete it. I think it's the old project section. Okay. No more block, nothing, no component. Now let's see what happens when we run this active project. When we run this project, it shows me like some interface like this. See, you can see that after every 10th term, ads are showing, not done anything else. Okay, you can see ads have been loaded. So I hope you all have learned how to create ad. I mean, I will show at least banner ads in list view. So I hope you all have learned this. If you have learned this, please do implement and check how you feel it about it. And if you like this video, do hit the like button and also to subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you. And sorry for the disturbance today created due to the call channel.